Oh, rebound.
Jump, Bob.
Bounce around, baby.
Right ahead. Good job. I'm going to let you wait for the next group, okay? So that's a little You bouncing, Abby? We're in there. You came out already? Are you bouncing? Wow. Bounce? You did? Oh my goodness. You gonna go up? It'll be our turn in a minute.
Don't get too close, Aubrey.
Let her go. Let her go, baby. Okay, you gotta use all your little strength, babe. Good girl. Keep climbing. Keep climbing.
Good job, Aubrey. Keep going. Mike, go, go, go. There she goes. Go. Lift your feet up, lift your feet up, lift your feet up. Lay on your back. There you go.
Sit down, feet first.